As you all know, this is not for educational purpose or anything. This is mainly how we can strengthen our trading psychology. I am a person who is struggling with trading psychology, and I make profits most of the days, but on one day when I make loss, I am not able to control that. So today what happened is, actually market opened here, and this area is the area I have identified during day time frame, using day time frame as the resistance. But now yesterday there was a big move like this, and because of that now this has become the support, and this is the indicator which I am using. I have written option selling setup. This is my dream plan to go into option selling after making some money, and I have included here EMA 88, VWAP, Supertrend, RSI, and Camarilla Pivot. I don't know 3, 10, 14. I don't know what prompt I have given to ChatGPT, but this has come out very nice, and actually this is a good setup. So my problem is not my setup, and I would advise you, don't buy any indicator from anyone. Don't spend money on this too much. It's mainly what is required is building our psychology. You can make your own indicator based on the setup you want. You ask ChatGPT to write a script for you, and you can incorporate it in the Pine script of TradingView. So that's why, see, all these indicators I am using for free, because we can use 2 indicators freely. So I have included this and one EMA 30. With that I get some idea. Now I can understand what is happening. Only thing is that I am not able to control myself. So this is the this resistance which is given by the market today, 24,405, and then 24,320 as the support based on this indicator. So one good thing I have done today is that I made a 15-minute range. I have drawn these 2 purple lines I have drawn when the 15-minute candle was formed. So I have decided to observe the market. I did not take trade immediately, so that much progress was there. And then so this market was within this range, and then I started observing there was a price rejection from here, from this resistance of my indicator, and then again here, and somewhere here, somewhere I took a trade and I got some points. And then I have noticed that here the market is reversing. Here also I took some trade, and luckily I did not stay for this big breakout. So what happens is that when it comes to retest, actually I will lose my mind, because I will be mostly, that is one bad habit I have, I will be mostly looking at the profit, what is going on. So when the profit comes down, I have a tendency to add more quantity. So I would have added here with this candle. Today it reversed, but there is no guarantee that whether it is going to reverse or it is going to go further for sell. Nobody knows. So if it was going for sell, I would have made loss. So I'm glad that I just came out, and then I did the kill switch off. I want to gain that psychology of watching the profit coming down and then still and taking the loss, stop loss, etc. Now what happens is that if a stop loss is hit, immediately I go into another trade, and like that I make losses. So I want to reach that level where I can peacefully take stop loss and put the kill switch on, and then go with the other work. Okay, so if I put this all these indicators off, now we can see that, so this is what I wanted to check. So here I drew a trend line. So I really don't know. So if I am drawing a trend line like this retest has not tested this trend line, though it is showing a hammer candle, it has not tested. But if I am drawing a trend line like this, marking only these 2 points, then it is retesting. So if anybody knows how to draw a trend line properly, please comment below. So if I was drawing this trend line like this, and then if I was noting this retest, then probably I would have. But then still, this is a very big candle. I don't know whether anybody could enter in this candle. So these were the trade opportunities, and after that you see nothing happened this during this period from 115 to 315. Actually it is killing the option prices, because option prices will be decaying, and only the sellers would be making profit. And this also you see it at 480 it immediately started reversing. I don't know why. So then I just looked at the daytime frame and I have noted that, so this is the 480. Here there is this candles, that is 20th April candle high, and this candles close somewhere, not even open, but little bit near to the open. So something like this we can identify, but nobody knows why the market suddenly reverses from here. I really don't understand. And also another thing I have noticed is that today when this move was happening, which move, so today the PCR was 1.13, I think, when it started, and when this move was happening it came down to from 1.13 to 1.03, and then when this move was happening also sellers were little more. If you were observing the OI change, sellers were slightly more in this 24,350 areas. So really what we should believe actually. So if we think that, then we may think this is going to continue for selling, but it reversed, then it immediately came back. I think the big players have played here, all the small sellers are taken out, and then they started selling from a higher level. I don't know, maybe we can interpret like that. So if anybody understands the market more, please comment. So one good thing, I am happy that I have drawn the 15-minute range, and I waited for the opportunity. But also I am very anxious the day when I hit the stop loss. All my psychology will go into drain. So, but I am trying to slowly build up that psychology. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, please comment below.